Welcome to Legazpi. And Legazpi is in a region called ALBAY and in the province of Bicol. That's where it is. When you tell people about Legazpi, what comes in their mind is the mountain. They have this volcanic mountain. It's called Mayon Mount, the volcano. And some people were telling me that it's active. If you go around there, I was at the SM mall here, the most popular mall in the Philippines, in the biggest city, you'll find it. I was there and they were showing me that mountain, the volcano mountain. Even you go outside here, you will see it, but it's covered now by clouds. And they say it's only like less than 30 to 45 minutes drive from here or city center. But every time when I travel, I see something, I want to say something, especially something that like people don't know or maybe they know a little about it. This here, when you travel, the hotels, it can be tricky. Hotels are expensive. I think because there are little, fewer of them, I don't know, but they're expensive. I'm going to tell you about this hotel where I'm staying in now, so that you can understand what I'm saying. And this hotel has a good things and has other things that I'll not say they're bad, but I'm going to let you to say. But I will say what good I saw myself. And the other one I will just point out. And by the way, when I travel, I like traveling with a ginger. Because of taking some tea, it helps. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory product to take, but don't take too much. So in a minute, I'm gonna have tea here. So this is what I like about this hotel. When I enter here, they gave me a room 9, which the swimming pool is just next here. But behind this camera, there is a very beautiful, small, cute screen, TV screen. By the way, I don't turn TV screen when I'm in the hotel. I don't turn TV. Even at my home, I don't watch TV. So, in any way, for those who like TV, it contains HDMI, it's an LG. Yeah, very cute. So, this is other thing that I saw when I entered this hotel. It's a green tea. From which company? You know this company here. Looks like all hotel, you may think that they are required to have a Lipton tea. But the good things with the Lipton nowadays, they're doing because of nutrition, what I will call nutrition revolution that is coming in people's mind. Knowing that the green tea is good for you. So Lipton has green tea. Actually, I've been traveling in many hotels, and this is the first hotel where I found the Lipton with the green tea. Other hotel, they have the tea that doesn't say anything. It's not black, it's not green, it's brown, I don't know. So this is something I like. Second is water. Many hotels, they give 2 bottles of water, but this one here, they give 1. It's okay. But you have water in the room, and you can buy yours.
Peter.
Peter?
Yeah.
Oh, like Peter in the Bible? Peter?
Yeah.
Oh. Are you like Peter? So, me, when I travel, I like looking for affordable hotels because I like calculating the money. I travel with a tight budget. So I'll travel, I will be picky for hotel. I look for hotel for hours and hours for me to get a hotel that I need. Then the remaining balance that I could pay for a high hotel, I can give it to someone here. There are a lot of people here. The differences of the amount of money you could pay on a hotel a day can pay a rent for someone outside there. That's why when I coming to the Philippines or to other countries where I travel, I like going in rural parts. I like going, even if in the city, I go outside of the city, that's where you see the reality of things. That's where you see where you can harvest love, you can harvest blessings when you go there. You can see 1,000 their money, which is equal to $20, can pay a rent for someone. Do you know that 1,500 you buy a 25 kilo of rice? And if you don't know rice in this Philippines, ask me. You miss rice, you miss life. They say that themselves. They say rice is life. If you don't have rice in the house, it's a very big problem. So the people who struggle to get rice, they can get other vegetables to eat, but they need rice as a side there because it's primary, it is a staple food here. And the regular people, they don't grow rice like the way they can grow vegetables in the backyard or the way they can grow other vegetables in the front. They can't go and go fishing rice. No, rice most of the time is grown by big corporate. Someone told me that in Texas, they consume a lot of meat and they have a lot of cows, but they import a lot of meat. In the Philippines, they produce a lot of rice, but also they consume a lot of rice. And I was told that they import more rice to this country. Let me show you around with this hotel so that you can see what I mean here. Very small, but very cute. Telephone. And not only that, they have this air conditioning. These ones here, well, you don't have choice. They may interrupt your sleep. But again, I will tell you what is considered to be little money here that they paid. Another cute nightstand there. And you have this beautiful painting, the bed, pillows, almost 6. And they're asking me if I need one, another one. So that's what they're asking. Because I was telling them where I slept, I had a neck pain, very, very severe neck pain where I slept. So this is the restroom here. It's those type of restroom where you have the toilet and the shower here. No fence in between. I think there might be some rooms in this hotel that have, you pay a lot of money, then you get those, the one that has a little bit of wall or glassy wall. This is the door. It closes. Here's something that I like, and I'm gonna show you. Here, they have a cute, it's just cute stuff. They have a very cute swimming pool. It's small, but beautiful, cute. And it's just next to my room. Because I'm in 9 and it's the door you see there. They will also provide breakfast when you waiting in your room if you want for free. So that's another good thing that I saw here. But still the breakfast, I think needs some improvement in breakfast. So what you do, one night prior to the morning, to the breakfast coming. They will ask you, they will call you and ask you what you wanna know, what you wanna get for your breakfast, and you will tell them, and then they will deliver it to here in your room. 1, 2, 3. That is the ring for breakfast. So if you want, it's your choice. They will deliver breakfast in your room for free. One night prior to the morning, you will need to say what you want. They will even call you on your phone here, on the phone in the room, asking, hey, what type of breakfast you want to have tomorrow? And then they will ask you as well, what you want to dine in or